Welcome back to our YouTube troubleshooting series. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp Web being unable to connect on your PC. Follow these simple steps to get your WhatsApp Web up and running again. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web. Launch the WhatsApp Web application on your PC. Step 2. If you encounter a yellow banner with the error message, "Computer not connected," first, ensure that your computer's internet connection is active and working properly. Step 3. If your computer's internet connection is working fine, but you still can't send or receive messages, try refreshing the page. This can help resolve temporary connectivity issues. Step 4. If the problem persists, try logging out and back into WhatsApp Web. Click on More at the top and select Log Out. Then log back in to WhatsApp Web to establish a fresh connection. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of WhatsApp Web being unable to connect on your PC.